it's important to use enough torches when it's nighttime because of the monsters. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hot, hot. That was a close one. Ooh, diamond. Ooh. Let's see. Wooden axe for diamond. Yes, I got to be jumping up and down. There's always a lot of diamond next to the lava. I could probably find more diamond here. Yep. Ah! Lava! 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 Lava!